Now, Pakistan's rulers may be annoyed with Musharraf's name, but ideas never die. Give it any name, but consider it. It is a situation of ease, it is a situation of peace, it is a situation of dignity. And that can happen. But here in Kashmir, it can never happen through military. They have decided to, show us muscular policy. It will not succeed. Temporarily, it will succeed. But ultimately, a vigorous political dialogue will yield a dignified solution for Pakistan, for India, for the people of Jammu and Kashmir state. I have convinced myself, and my book carries the argument like that.
Our senior political correspondent Payal Mehta is tracking it for us. Payal, good morning. Now, how is really Congress going to explain this? Because here, two leaders in question are senior most. In fact, two of them, the former union ministers, and now openly taking pro-Pak line.
Well, of course, yes, this is certainly going to be something which the Congress party will have to explain to all the citizens of the country. Because here you are speaking about a former union minister who's been speaking about this, and somebody else who's also been the chief minister of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So clearly they're playing into Pakistan's hand. They've done this not once but a number of times, and that has really backlashed in a big way. It seems that Congress's love for Pakistan is not dying out, and that's something which is really going to come out and the truth. What are they objecting to? Are they objecting to the fact that army is going to retaliate? Are they objecting to the fact that revenge has to be avenged for innocent lives that have been lost? Aurangzeb being the latest in the line of duty who had to pay with his life because he was abducted by militants, he was abducted by terrorists. What is it that they're objecting to? The fact of the matter remains that the terrorists understand only one language, and that is the language of the bullet. So, all these peaceniks, etc., are nowhere to be seen when innocent lives are being lost or when soldiers are paying with their lives. They seem to be very, very happy in engaging Pakistan and speaking Pakistan's language. The center has always maintained one thing, Sakal. The center has been maintaining that one thing, that the Indian Constitution,
yes,
the Constitution is supreme. The fact of the matter remaining that anyone who owes allegiance to the Indian
will continue to remain integral part of the country. Payal, in fact, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi also has lashed out at the Congress. Let's listen to what exactly he said, and we'll come back to it.
कश्मीर एक बहुत ही संवेदनशील मुद्दा है। मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पर जो अमन का माहौल है वो पैदा करने में सबको साथ देना चाहिए। जो आतंकवादी हैं, अलगाववादी हैं, जिनकी जहरीली मानसिकता ने कश्मीर को कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी रूप में तरक्की की धारा से दूर करने की षड्यंत्र और साजिशें की हैं, वहाँ के अमन को नुकसान पहुँचाने की कोशिश की है। अगर उनकी भाषा में ही सो कॉल्ड नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और ग्रैंड ओल्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी बोलेगी तो निश्चित तौर से उस पर कई तरह के सवाल खड़े होंगे।
मुख्यमंत्री रह चुके हैं जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के, पर उनका समर्थन जो उन्होंने कहा उसका समर्थन लश्कर तौयबा ने किया।
देखिए, हमारा ये कहना है कि जब आप ऐसी भाषा बोलेंगे तो वो भाषा तो ऐसे आतंकवादियों को, ऐसे अलगाववादियों को सूट करती है।
सैफुद्दीन सोज है, वो भी मंत्री रह चुके हैं केंद्र में UPA 1 में। उनका भी ये कहना है कि जो परवेज मुशर्रफ ने कहा था कि जो कश्मीरी लोग हैं वो आज़ादी चाहते हैं।
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि आतंकवादियों को, अलगाववादियों को कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी रूप में उनके साथ खड़े दिखने की कंपटीशन छोड़ करके और कश्मीर में अमन और कश्मीर में तरक्की के कंपटीशन में साथ देना चाहिए।
सैफुद्दीन सोज से सवाल पूछा गया है क्योंकि उन्होंने जो बयान दिया, उन्होंने कहा है कि ये सवाल हमसे नहीं पर बीजेपी को अपने आप से पूछना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो लाहौर का जो डिक्लेरेशन है वो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के दौरान।
मुझे लगता है कि ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं वो पूरे देश जानता है, पूरी दुनिया जानती है। कम से कम जो है वो इस तरह के संवेदनशील मुद्दों पर उन्हें जो है वो सीरियस होना चाहिए।
लगातार क्या वजह है कि कांग्रेस लगातार जो है पाकिस्तान की जुबान बोलती है, चाहे वो मनीशंकर
ये समस्या तो कांग्रेस पार्टी की है, हमारी तो है नहीं। अगर उनके दिमाग